So I have been working on this project. It's a Visual Studio Code extension. It's a CRM inside your Visual Studio Code. So let me run this project and show you how to do the setup. So it's a Visual Studio Code extension that you run like a CRM inside your Visual Studio Code, and you connect it to your own database, which is Supabase in this case. So the UI inside Visual Studio Code and the database inside Supabase. And I'm doing this so your database it's not saved locally, so you can use it from multiple devices, and you connect your own project so I don't have your data, you own your data. So let's create a new project. Let's call it Visual Studio Code CRM. Let me just change the password. Well, we're not gonna use the password, so you either generate a code, you can copy it, you can keep it. We're not gonna use it. So now let me put this to the side and this to the side here. Okay, now to do the setup, I need to set up the callback for the authentication, and I need to do multiple things. Let's set up the authentication first inside Supabase. Let's go to the settings, authentications, not the setting. Go to the authentications, OAuth apps, OAuth server setup, enable it, and let's do configuration. Here we're gonna copy this using this button. I'm gonna paste it here and change the URL to Visual Studio Code URL. Save. Okay, let it save. So after it's saved, we go back to the OAuth app, click here again, and now we add the link, the rest of the link from here. You can see it here, like here, there it is. And the most important thing, when you click this and you search for it here, this should be it. Click on save. Okay, after you click on save, that means the email and password authentication provided is set up and enabled correctly. For this project you can also add Google and GitHub login. You just need to click on this, enable it. You need to create a Google Cloud project and get the client ID, client secret for OAuth, and set the callback, and it will work. In this video I'm not gonna show how to do that, and you can also enable GitHub for it. Now we're gonna click get started. For this 4 points here, if we go to the home, we can click here, copy project URL, we can put it here, and if you see here it show you where to go exactly. Okay, so we go to the settings, APIs, legacy, copy the anon and the service role, and verify connection. It will test it. If it work, then it will start doing the databases in the table. Of course we can do everything automatically from creating the database and everything, so we only need to do this here after setup, like the project structure. We paste this here. It's a basic things for doing basic setup. Okay, run, and when it finish, success. Let's go now to the tables. You will see we don't have any table in the database. Now I run it, apply migration, and as you can see here, there's few database table are running or migrating to the project, and when it's done we will have multiple tables here in the database. So let's wait a minute or two, it will be done soon. And it's done. So let's refresh here, and we have all the tables and everything. So now let's log in. Of course, we don't have a user yet, and because I didn't set up the Google Cloud or GitHub auth, so I can't use any of these. I have to create new password. So let's go Safi safi@gmail.com. Sign up. Let's see now. When you do sign up, it will send you a Gmail for sign up verification. Click on this link, open Visual Studio Code. It will ask you to do. If you click it and just click cancel and you click here sign in, you type your username and password, it will work. Here it will just open and will automatically log in for you. And if you go here to public, it's auth, let it load users. For some reason I have a bad internet today. Yeah, this is the user that we just created. Okay, now I don't need this, so let's go back here, and from here you have everything the CRM need: projects, tasks, invoices, expenses, reports, and basic settings for the project. Okay, and let's test it. So let's create a client name Safi or Abdul Qadir Safi, company Safi Studio, website https safi.com, email phone number, tags, developer, and save. And from here, when you click on it, you will have all the linked projects, linked invoices, so you can have history, you can add notes, like if you finish a call with him, you can add what's the notes of that call, emails, meetings. You have the contact info, you can edit if you have billing, paid, outstanding. There is also the leads, like create a lead here, test Safi Studio, source, it was from, let's say, LinkedIn, email, and let's say estimated value 10,000, why not? And it's here, you can click on it, you can move it. Okay, let's lose it. Projects, you can create a project, web development for our favorite client, and it's in progress. We will start today and it should end, let's say, in a month. The budget, well, here I have to spend a lot of money, so let's say 20,000. Okay, and if we click on the project, we can see all the tasks, all the invoices related to the project, expenses, and everything. And you can create tasks here. So what's the title of the task? Set up the front end. Which project is it's for the web development, priority high, status to do, due date, let's say in a week. So this is the to do. You can click on it, and if you go back to projects, you will see it here. And it's like a timer here also, if you want to start and track how much it took you to finish a task or something like that. Okay, invoices, you can generate an invoices, you can add an items, you can, like, it will after print as a PDF. Also expenses, if you are tracking your expenses in your CRM. Reports, I know it look ugly, I'm adding more more charts and fix the colors and settings. And the branding here, it's for the logo and the color that will be exported by the invoice. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe. Let's see what I'm gonna build next. I don't know.